Happy Friday!
Hey everybody, welcome to our next Friday Creative. Kate is our camera person today, so she's behind the camera and you only get to see me, but that's your loss and my gain. I get to see her. And
I'm also not wearing makeup, so.
She's not wearing makeup, which I think she looks better without. She looks great with it. Anyway, I'll stop digging my hole. I am going to share with you a song today that I wrote this past week. It is based off of Psalm 69. It's very hymn-like, so yeah, Psalm 69.
The thing I love about this too, that Sean's song brings to life for me, is that Jesus quotes Psalm 69 from the cross 2 different times in the Gospel of John. So that really spoke to me through his song.
Well, let's see if we can get through it this time. Heavens and earth and all that moves, praise the living King. The seas and wind and all therein, lift their voice and sing. The humble will see and glad will be, he will your hearts revive. The needy he hears and holds their tears, the dead he will arise. So hail to the one true God of all, hail the risen King. Hail to the Father, Son, and Ghost, Lord of everything. The waters rise up to the skies, you sink into the flood. His saving hand will make you stand in his steadfast love. Prisoner's bonds, forgiveness breaks, he traps your enemy. From his hand they'll never take his beloved eternally. So hail to the one true God of all, hail to the risen King. Hail to the Father, Son, and Ghost, Lord of everything. Afflicted with pain, he knows your name, he calls you up on high. Raise your song, O wounded throng, with thanks we magnify. Build his city, his mighty tower, his grace will